feel like for the Aries today, one of the best things you can do for yourself is trust the process. There's a beautiful process that's currently unfolding, and I call it beautiful because a lot of it doesn't make sense to your logical mind. And often things that don't make sense to our logical mind tend to have a beauty in them that we kind of miss because we're looking for it to make sense through the logic. Especially as an Aries, that's something that can be incredibly important to you because that's sometimes how you make sense of the world around you. It needs to land logically. It's got to be like, oh yeah, well, it makes sense that that's the next step. And it makes sense that life has to look like X, Y, Z. And so the current process won't make sense to you. It's got nothing to do with the logic. And the challenge for you is going to be in certain moments, knowing how to step back and allow the process to continue unfolding. And then there may be some moments where you have to learn how to lean in a little bit and then pull back, just continue this process. Continue the allowing of this process rather than getting overly involved as you normally would.